Good morning, adventurers.
Morning.
So yesterday we drove to the town of Silver Lake. Is that right?
It's Silver Lake.
Yeah, but it's just near Mount St. Helens, which you guys, if you caught yesterday's vlog, you saw some views of that. And if you haven't caught that, check that out. We'll have that linked somewhere on the screen or in the description below so you can kind of catch up to where we are now. But we're traveling with our friends Josh and Ashley. We are going to go on an epic hike around Mount St. Helens today.
Yeah, the weather cleared up yesterday. It was pretty nasty out.
It's just like
beautifully
crystal
clear skies.
Clear blue skies now.
Although I guess you never know when you get to the top, but we'll see.
But last night we arrived to these amazing little tiny cabins that we're staying in for last night, and then tonight we're going to stay one more night. But they're super quaint. Before we head out, I think we're going to give you guys a quick look around. Super quick because it's very small.
Oh yeah, it's like go in and turn around and that's it. All right, you guys, welcome to our little tiny cabin. We are at the Silver Cove Resort, and they just put in these adorable little cabins. They all overlook the lake. Check out this space. We have just this living room, which is actually surprisingly spacious. I was able to do a workout in here this morning, and we hung out in Josh and Ashley's last night playing board games. It has a full kitchen, which is really impressive. Like, this stove is bigger than the one we had in our apartment in San Francisco. It's pretty bananas. Full fridge, a little baby sink, but it does the job. And then it's pretty much fully stocked. We were able to cook everything we needed, which was pretty sweet.
We had like a proper breakfast this morning.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Set off the fire alarm, but that's okay. Next up is our tiny bathroom. It's pretty cute as well. Just has all the basics, everything you need. Great water pressure. One thing that we love and that people have had in houses recently are these big old mirrors. And I feel like it makes a small space so much bigger. And then look how cool this is, you guys. The bedroom. All the cabins here have this bunk bed style. So you got one little baby twin up there and then this huge, I think it's a queen size on the bottom. It's really comfy and cozy. And I mean, you don't need much space in a bedroom, so it's actually perfect.
Yeah, we were saying how we could definitely live in this size of a space, because this is about the size of our apartment, what our apartment was in San Francisco, wouldn't you say?
I'd say so.
But we could probably do an even smaller space than this, so it's really getting us thinking about, like, if we actually do get a place or renovate a bus or all the stuff we always talk about, how big of a space we would actually need. But
yeah,
I don't think we would need that big of a space.
No, we've been having fun staying in. I feel like we've stayed in a lot of small and unusual spaces this year so far, and I'm excited to do more.
These tiny houses are right next to this lake with a bunch of ducks, and
we've been hearing them all morning.
Yeah.
They just waddle by and they're all quacking. It's so cute.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's nice and peaceful. Pretty good view to wake up to. By the way, we were curious if you guys have ever stayed in a tiny house and if you enjoyed it and what type of square footage you could live with. So leave us a comment and let us know. All right, let's go. Let's hike.
Hiking.
Yeah.
Hiking the mountain. Okay, just kidding. We're not going to do that.
We just stopped because we saw an epic view of the mountain over there. By the way, make sure you guys follow us on Instagram to see how all these shots from today turn out. We'll put it on the screen somewhere, as usual.
It's crazy. Yesterday we couldn't see the top of that at all, and today you can see everything. You can see the whole chunk that fell off there. I guess that's the north face.
Yeah.
It's pretty nuts.
Yeah.
Setting up for the thumbnail for Josh and Ashley's video. Make sure you head over to their channel to watch their video, by the way. Let's do it! Don't fall off! Just kidding.
All right, so we look like we love each other. 10 seconds on the clock. And here it comes.
Crazy shiz.
We did it. We took a photo.
That's a fucking mountain back there!
It's a volcano.
I mean a volcano! First up, we're exploring Coldwater Lake. And this lake is very unique because it was formed in the aftermath of the eruption, caused this lake to form. So all the vegetation around here is very brittle and very new. So the sign over there says it's a $100 fine to step off the path because you might be stepping on something that, 100 years from now will be a giant tree.
are we, Ashley?
We're at the Hummocks Trail. Hummocks, we're gonna see like mounds of dirt and ash that were from the volcanic eruption.
You just made a pile of dirt sound really exciting.
I know, it's gonna be great. And it's only 2.5 mile loop. So this was the dome, but then it was blown off.
Huge chunks of mountain, some spinning intact, others shattered, roaring down the valley. The colorful heart of the volcano now lies scattered in a landscape of gray rounded hummocks. What's a hummocks?
Hummocks. This is gray rounded things.
Oh, it's the pile of rock and dirt.
Yeah, and ash.
And ash.
So this is how the eruption actually happened. The mountain kind of had this shape, and then inside was this bowl of magma, and it exploded this way and just blew off this face of the mountain.
Yeah, they said the first one blew off at a speed of 180 miles per hour. And then the second layer, I guess more pressure built up when this released, and it blew off and blew through that first wall and just caused chaos, I guess, is what it sounds like.
Yeah.
To give you guys some perspective of how epic that blast was, they're saying that the land we're standing on now, or the ground we're standing on now, is that first layer that was blown off from over there all the way to here. That's bananas.
It's Banana Town.
Banana Town, USA.
Do you guys think this is Banana Town?
I was thinking more plantain nation.
Yeah, okay.
Plátanos?
So as you can see behind us, there is not a lot going on here. It's mostly just these big hills, which are the hummocks, which are made up of that rock and everything that blew off the mountain there. But they're saying that eventually this will one day be covered again in forest, and you'll never know that a volcano collapsed here and destroyed everything.
Oh God, what's happening over here?
I thought you were filming.
That's gonna be the thumbnail.
We're filming.
Yes, yes, this is what you want, what you want. Yes, yes, this is what you want, what you want. Yeah. Show me what you got, it's a lot. Scoop here, sort of hit the spot. Yes, yes, this is what you want, what you want. Yes, yes, this is what you want, what you want. Yeah. Show me what you got, it's a lot. Scoop here, sort of hit the spot.
This lake is full of some kind of nasty crud.
It's like snot soup.
Yeah. So far this hike has been pretty tame, but it's also been pretty beautiful. We're coming up now on the river that like, oh man, that looks fly.
Yeah.
The river like cuts through the valley there and then runs all the way down there. It's funny because we were driving way up there and it looked so tiny, like microscopic, but when you get close to it, it's like a fat Russian river. Check out this walking stick. Thing's pretty fly. Hua! Onward! We're back at our little tiny house encampment and got some wine.
Wine.
The sun has went down. Josh and Ashley are dicking around with the fire back there. I think the idea is to cook up some grub.
Oh yeah, we got some hot dogs, some
beans,
and then some veggies. That was our contribution.
It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be so delicious, and it's getting colder, but it's not too bad. I think
Yeah.
the fire's gonna keep us nice and toasty.
It's really not that bad. We expected it to be worse, so this is pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be a good night. All right, y'all, dinner is served. Check this out. We got some dogs right here. We got some zucchini right here, which we cheated and cooked them on the stove.
Yep.
We cheated with the beans too, which I did not approve of, but
No.
we did it. We got some salad over here. It's gonna be a good little campfire dinner.
I know, and look at our cute little like camp style bowls
Yeah,
to eat
this is gonna be
everything
good.
in.
Guys, we lost one dog down here. Poor little guy. Josh said, "Oh, just pick him up and dust him off." I said, "You can have that
That's
one."
how we do it in the Pacific Northwest.
Well, maybe that should be your hot dog for dropping him.
No.
Just kidding. We have plenty of hot dogs.
So we're back in our tiny little cabin. We've eaten dinner.
It was so good.
Yeah, it was great.
It was so cold outside.
Yeah.
We tried to build the fire big and it didn't get very big. So we mostly just froze for a while.
Yeah, but we've just been chilling here watching. They have a TV in the room,
Yeah.
and we've been watching multiple Jason Statham movies. I don't know why.
He's on every channel.
He's on every channel tonight. I
I
don't know
like
why.
it.
But I think we're actually going to end the night watching a little H3H3. If you guys have not come across this channel, it is our favorite channel, H3H3 Productions. Go type that in the search bar and find their channel.
It's just ridiculous.
Yeah.
It's such a good laugh at the end
Yeah,
of the night.
it's just like our kind of sense of humor.
Oh my God.
It's really mindless stuff, but still interesting and kind of educational. It's really good. But you'll just have to check it out and see for yourself if you like it.
Yeah, it's pretty ridiculous. This place gave us homemade cookies last night and we forgot to eat them. We both brushed our teeth and then we're like, shoot. So tonight we did not forget. Look at these beautiful chocolate chip cookies. I wish you could smell them. I'll smell them for
Can
you.
I smell?
Yeah.
Oh, those are going to be
They're
good.
gonna be so good. Yeah. So we're gonna watch our YouTubes, eat our cookies, and go to bed. We leave here tomorrow, and we're actually gonna go visit Josh and Ashley's family. We get to stay with them, which is so cool.
Yeah, we may or may not vlog tomorrow. I don't
You
know.
don't know.
But we'll definitely have more adventures with Josh and
Yeah.
Ashley coming up.
But we're going to Ape Cave, so if we don't do it, you can check it out on their channel.
Yeah.
But we're excited to go to the Seattle area and see what it's all about. Good night, adventurers.
We'll see you on the road.